In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a WordPress WhatsApp chat plugin easily and quickly. So from inside my dashboard, I'm going to come down to plugins, add plugin, and from here, I'm just going to type bit assist, and I'm just going to wait for the results to come up. And now I want to install this one. It says chat widget, floating customer support button for 30 plus channels supporting SMS, calls, and chat. It's made by Bit Apps and it has 10,000 plus active installations. Let me just check to see what it says on more details. And it says that Bit Assist makes it easy for your website visitors to quickly connect with your business through their preferred messaging apps, including WhatsApp chat. It also includes Facebook Messenger chat, Telegram, and others, but we are interested in seeing how this works with WhatsApp chat. So I'm just going to install it now, and it's installing, and now I'm just going to activate it. So it has been activated, and I can see that it shows now on the left side. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit all widgets. And from here, I can see that I have not created any widget as yet, obviously because it's a new installation. So what I'm going to do is hit add widget. I'm just going to type a widget name, bit assist test widget. And I'm just going to hit create. And now from here, I'm just going to touch bit assist test widget. And now it's asking me, or it's prompting me to add a channel. So I'm just going to hit add channel here. And as you can see, it does come up with all these channels. You can have custom channel, Calendly, Call, Crisp, Discord, frequently asked questions, Instagram, LinkedIn, Messenger, Talk to, TDO, Telegram. But I'm going to install WhatsApp. So this is the channel that I'm going to add. And the default title is WhatsApp. So I'm just going to leave that. And the default image is this one here. But I could browse if I wanted to upload another one. I'm just going to leave the basic one. And here I can enter my phone number. In this case, it does not specify if I should start with a plus sign or directly with my phone number. In my experience, I've seen that some of these plugin creators will specify when you need to add a plus sign before your number. So in this case, I'm just going to enter my phone number directly. And later I will confirm whether or not I needed to add a plus sign to my number or if it was okay to only add the phone number. Okay, that's what I'm going to do now. And here I can enter a message. And honestly, I feel it could be a little more clear what type of message, but I assume that I can enter something like feel free to ask anything. Next option is on click open channel on, and the options are current tab, new window. So this seems to be a setting for desktops. What I'm just going to do is just hit new tab. On this section is channel show on desktop and mobile. So I'm just going to keep that, and I'm going to hit save. It says channels created successfully, and now I'm going to move over to customization. So now I'm under the customization section. This is the second of 4 sections. And the first option here says widget name. So I'm just going to leave bit assist test widget. I can choose from any of these widget styles. Anyone is okay for me. And the widget color, I'm just going to leave the default color. Widget icon, I'm also going to leave the widget icon, but I could browse to upload one. And depending on what I wanted, I could position this widget on top right, or perhaps top left, or bottom left. I'm just going to leave it bottom right is most likely the default settings. Widget size 60 pixels, that looks good to me. Widget shape is a circle. And this custom CSS option is for pro users, so I'm just going to skip that. And it gives me the option to hide the credit. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and hide that. I'm moving over to the settings tab now. And now we get several options. The first one is enable business hours. So by updating to pro, I can actually select business hours and days. I'm just going to turn that off. Next option here is enable widget active batch. And the option that comes up by default is this green. So let me just go ahead and leave that there. Next option is page filters, and this one is probably for pro users as well. As you can see, it comes up with the Get Pro version. This option is pretty cool because it will show on certain pages or posts. But let us keep it basic and hit remove filter. Then we have the trigger widget, so it can either delay X amount of seconds to appear on the page, or it could appear after you scroll down on the page X amount of percentage. In this case, I'm just going to put 5 seconds here. Google Analytics is obviously for pro users, as it says clearly. Then call to action. It says display a call to action message next to the widget after X amount of seconds. And this is 0 seconds, so I can put it to 12 seconds or 22 seconds. Let me just leave it to 0 seconds. And let me just put the traditional chat with us message. Other options here is widget behavior, open by default, or hover to open, click to open. Let me just set it to open by default. And the attention animation, I can turn it off if I want it. It's set to wiggle. I can either change it to jump or shock wave. Let me just go ahead and turn it off. And the next tab is external publish, but this does not apply. It allows you to take this code and install it on another platform. So I think that I'm good to go, and I'm going to jump on my mobile device to see how this works. So I'm now on my mobile device, and I'm just going to go ahead and open up my WP Chat Solutions page. And it's loading, and here you can see the website, and I'm counting about 3, 4, 5 seconds. So as you can see, the WhatsApp icon appeared after 5 seconds on the lower right corner, and I'm going to just touch the message that says WhatsApp, and as you can see, it opens up directly on my WhatsApp, and I'm able to send a message. Actually, the default says feel free to ask anything. That was a message I was telling you earlier that sound like it could explain itself a little more. So in this case, instead of that, I would probably put something like, hello, I need help. And I am going to hit send. And as you can see, it has sent the message successfully. So as you can see, that is how you install a WordPress WhatsApp chat plugin. But now stay with me to watch more videos about WordPress chat solutions.